Hi you guys, my name is Lynn and today I'm going to be showing you how I got this look. I did not film how I got my eyeshadow look, unfortunately, but if you guys do want to see how I got this look, please let me know so that way I can film it. I would be more than happy to show you guys how I got this look. But I do show you guys how I apply my base, my foundation, my highlight, my contour. Showed you guys what lip product I used. Yeah, so if you're interested in seeing how I finished my face, then keep on watching. I'm gonna go ahead and use this foundation. It is the Becca Ever Matte Shine Proof Foundation. Use like this. For anyone who has oily skin, this is really good too. So I'm just gonna apply this on my MAC brush. This is the MAC, I believe it's the 130, I want to say. The numbers are all gone, but I believe this is the 130. So for my nose, I'm going to be going in with the Paint Pot in the shade Soft Ochre. I use this as a primer to prime my eyelids before I put eyeshadow on. I was literally just about to put on my eyeshadow. And I also use it for my nose. So what I do is instead of putting the base primer on my nose, I tend to leave my nose bare until after the foundation, and then I just take some of that Paint Pot and I just like tap it really lightly into my nose, or like, you know, like into the skin on my nose. You guys get what I'm saying. So I just like go really lightly. And especially for those of you who wear glasses like me, like I wear glasses, and it's really frustrating, you know, to come back home and you see like that, you know, that line on your nose where like, you know, where your glasses sit, and it's like you see your skin right under it, and it's just like really irritating. So this, I mean, it doesn't completely prevent it, but it helps. Like it really does. Like I tried this a couple of times and I came back home, took off my glasses, and I barely even saw that line. So it's really good. After that's done, just grab your favorite concealer. Doesn't have to be what I'm using. I'm using the NARS. I don't know the name of this foundation. It's the Soft Matte Complete Concealer. It looks like this. You can tell that I've been using it and I love it a lot. Like I love this. And I'm just gonna grab my beauty blender, scoop whatever's on the corners, and then just like pat it under my eyes. This is my first video. I'm gonna talk to you guys a little bit about who I am. So my name is Lynn Kabbani. I am Lebanese. I live in Michigan, and I love makeup. I love makeup. And I've been doing makeup ever since I want to say since I was 17. I started doing makeup because my entire life I've loved art. I've always been into art. I used to paint portraits as a kid. I've always taken art class. Like every single year in school, I would take an art class. You know, like I love art a lot. And then I don't know. I just stopped for some reason. I stopped doing portraits. I stopped going to art school. I used to go to art school too. On weekends, I used to go to art school as a kid. And then, you know, like as I grew older, I stopped going to art school, stopped doing art, stopped, you know, not stopped caring for it, but just like, I wasn't as involved in art as I used to be. And then, I don't know how my like love for makeup started. I mean, it just happened. Like I started to notice that you can like do so much with than just like do like a normal everyday kind of look. And I kept practicing until I became good. I'm not saying I'm the best. I'm just saying, you know, I'm better than what I used to be a couple years back. Let me tell you that. So yeah, that's my story. So I'm okay. So first I baked with the Laura Mercier powder, and I used this like puff thing to apply it, and then I'm going in with the Benefit Hoola bronzer to contour my face, or like to bronze up my face. And I'm using this Ulta powder brush to kind of just like, you know, like move it around, or like, you know, apply it. Hopefully this video is perfect, you guys. I've filmed so many tutorials and I never end up uploading them because I'm always so nervous about like how I look, and like, oh, this eyebrow looks different than this one, or oh, my lips look uneven. So I tend, like, I never upload. Like, I do those like short like Instagram videos, but I mean, because I feel like no one really like pays close attention to them. But with YouTube videos, it's because like you can like, I don't know, I just like, I got so nervous. I'm always like really nervous for it. So I'm just gonna remove all that powder. Get your damp beauty sponge and then spray your favorite setting spray on it, like that. And then just like dab your beauty sponge into your skin wherever you bake. I really like to do this just to make sure that the powder is in place and it doesn't move. Especially where you get oily. I usually get oily around the T-zone, under my eyes, usually, especially where like my glasses hit my face, like around this area. Sometimes around this area, not as badly, but you know, like mostly this area here. Just wanna make sure everything is being taken care of. And then next, I'm gonna go in with this NARS blush in the shade Gulu. I got this. I got this as a reward for becoming VIB Rouge. And you know, at first I'm like, oh my god, like this is so, like, this is what I get for spending over $1,000 this Sephora. But after I started using it, I can't live without this blush. This is the only blush I use. I used to use the Rockateur blush from Benefit. I still love that blush, by the way, but I just reach out for this one a whole lot more because it's more pigmented, and it also has like, it has shimmer in it. So does the Rockateur, but it's just not as pigmented. It has like shimmer in it, and it gives like this really nice glow to the face. Before this blush, before like I started using this blush, I barely used blush. Then when I started using this, I'm like, wow, like it changed my makeup look. I started noticing people kept asking me, what do you have on your face? What do you have on your face? And I'm like, okay, like I'm using exactly what I normally would use. Why is everyone like so into my makeup looks now? And I noticed it's the blush. It's like it's the life that blush gives to all your makeup looks. See, I kind of look a little crazy now. I kind of used, like, I overdid it. Okay, sometimes like I just go overboard with the blush, but over time, if I do put a lot, sometimes I just like go over with some bronzer, and then like it like goes down. But with this blush, I felt like over time it tends to like fade away a little bit. Like you can still see it, but it's just not as like intense. Now we're going in for some highlighter. So today I'm going to be using the ABHxAmrezy Highlighter. You guys, I love this highlighter so much. Like you guys can tell, like I used this, like I've used it, and I'm just gonna apply it. I'm going to be using this Victoria's Secret Velvet Lip Liner. And I'm just gonna line my lips. To keep that glitter kind of look going on, I'm going to be using the Anastasia lip gloss in the shade Estella. You guys, this lip gloss is so pretty. I hope you guys catch, like, I hope the camera catches like all the glitter in this lip gloss because it is so pretty. Just gonna finish some, like, I have some like little touches that I still haven't done. I still haven't done like the colors under my eyes. Oh, by the way, I did use the Norvina palette for this eyeshadow look. Just letting you guys know. If you guys want to see this look, let me know. Still not sure if I'm gonna upload this on YouTube or I don't know where, but just let me know if you guys want to see a tutorial on the eyeshadow look. So I'm just gonna go in with that paint. This is the final look. So I'm gonna list all the products that I've used under this video. Wherever I post it, I'm gonna, you know, put everything that I've used, even like the eyeshadow palette, anything I use on my eyes or anything, I will, you know, put it down below or like under the video. Hey guys, this is the look. Hope you guys enjoyed it, and I will see you very soon.